It's packed well so far. Oh, we got a, looks like a DB9 to DB9, or rather a oh no, this is a DVI cable. Wow. Just sitting on the top. Interesting. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah. And I didn't think the box was open before, but it kind of makes me think that the way it's sitting in there, that someone threw that in there. Let's turn this box over. Just do that, and you can see we got certificate of calibration, and then the user's manual, a probe, and then we have our scope inside. So I'm going to turn the box over. And there's our scope. And the styrofoam stayed, the bottom styrofoam stayed inside. And we got our all nicely wrapped in plastic, our power cord. And so there we go, there's our scope. Looks like it's in good shape. I don't see any damage on it right now. All the knobs feel good. It's got 4 feet on the bottom. We got our nice handle. We pull the handle out to rotate it. And that seems to be pretty good. So that's our GOS-622G 20 megahertz analog oscilloscope. Brand new. And